And hello again, people. Mr. Asshole wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But Mr. Asshole has a very important message to the park ranger, the ranger who works in our park. That I know you guys, some of you guys gotta take off for holiday, or some of you guys working during Christmas or New Year. We will be needing your service really badly because of raccoon, coyote, any animals gonna be will be scalping our houses. Even we have security, they are smart too, like human. So this video is talking about nature right now. I'm talking about nature. So park ranger, you gotta have your hand full this month. Thank you.